Tomato lovers. August is the month that decides whether your garden becomes a tomato paradise, or a sad story of yellow leaves and empty baskets. Let's fix that, right now. Hello Mkirikacha TV family. Today we're unlocking a natural feeding secret specially for your tomatoes in August, to make them burst with flavor, size, and juiciness. By August, your tomato plants are at their hungriest stage. They're pumping all their energy into making those beautiful fruits. But if you don't give them what they need right now, they'll slow down. Leaves turn yellow, fruits stay small, and you'll be left wondering why your harvest is shrinking. The secret? Potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. The three powerhouse nutrients your tomatoes are begging for this month. Here's what you need. 200 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon honey, a pinch of baking soda. Step 1. In a small bowl, dissolve the honey in 200 milliliters of water. While it's dissolving, add just a pinch of baking soda, not too much. Step 2. In a bigger container, pour in 1 liter of water. Step 3. Mix your honey and soda water into this liter and stir well. Water your tomatoes with this magic mix once a week directly at the roots and under the leaves. Best time? Early morning when your plants are fresh and ready to drink it all in. This simple weekly boost will keep your tomato plants healthy, their fruits bigger, juicier, and oh so tasty right until the end of summer. Mkirikacha TV. Take home. In August, tomatoes don't just need water, they need the right food. Feed them right and they'll feed you back in baskets of red gold. Drop your own tomato feeding secrets in the comments. I might just feature yours in the next video.